I'll be using an overlocker for sewing, but if you don't have one, watch the video linked below and choose a method that works best for you. Place the 2 back pieces right sides together, pin and sew along the curved center back seam. Press the seam allowance to one side. Pin the yoke piece to the top edge of the back shorts, right sides together. Sew along the seam, stitching with the back pieces on top. It's normal if the sharp corner of the yoke gets slightly trimmed during sewing. Press the seam allowance upward toward the yoke. Pin the side panels to the back pieces, right sides together, match the notches. Sew with the back pieces on top. Press the seam allowances toward the side panels. Place the 2 front pieces right sides together and sew along the curved front seam. Press the seam allowance to the same side as on the back pieces. Now you have 2 main parts, front and back. Place them right sides together and sew the side seams. Align the inner leg seams, inseams, right sides together, and sew. Press the front and back center seams in opposite directions. Fold the waistband piece in half, right sides together, and pin along the short edge. Before sewing, try it on your waist to check the fit. Adjust the length if needed. Sew the short edge using a straight stitch on your sewing machine. Press the seam allowance open. Fold the waistband in half wrong sides together. Sew the seam allowances inside. Before attaching the waistband, you can insert a wide elastic band, pre-measured and sewn into a loop. This step is optional. If your fabric has enough stretch and recovery, you can skip the elastic. Pin the raw edge of the waistband to the top edge of the shorts, right sides together. You can position the waistband seam either at the back center or on one side. Distribute the waistband evenly and sew around the waistline, stitching along the waistband edge. If you inserted elastic, sew a 2 to 3 centimeter vertical straight stitch in the waistband seam to keep the elastic from twisting. Press the seam allowance down toward the shorts. Finish the leg hems by folding the edge to the inside and sewing with either a zigzag stitch or a twin needle for a professional double top stitch finish. To give your shorts a personal touch, Add a custom label to the center back of the waistband. You can design your own label, choose colors and fonts. For everyone using my pattern, here are discount codes. To attach the label, place it exactly in the center of the waistband. Pin it in place on both sides. Sew slowly using a straight stitch. You can increase stitch length to 3 to 3.5 millimeters. You can stitch around the entire label or just along the sides.